These days in the domestic group, we actually discuss this Yog Vasishtha Ramayana. Earlier I used to speak on Upanishad. I hope to start it very soon because now actually I have got more time to discuss about it. So I hope to start it soon. I should be talking about it. But what we discussed in the domestic group here in India is about Yog Vasishtha Ramayana. Ramayana we all know. I shall just elaborate a little bit. What is that actually? Ramayana is what? Ramayana is the story of Sri Ram. Simply, we all know story of Sri Ram. But there are few Ramayans. That means there are a few books on Ramayana. First one is we all know, that is now actually Indian government has directed the Ramayana serial is going on in Doordarshan actually. So the original Ramayana, which is written by Valmiki himself. So that is the total story of Sri Ram. Total story of Sri Ram is there. This is the first Ramayana. And the second one is this one which I am speaking about, Yog Vasishtha Ramayana. It is also written by Valmiki. But in this Yog Vasishtha Ramayana, the specialty is what, the Yog Vasishtha Ramayana is where Ramachandra, his master is Vasishtha Dev. So Ramachandra spoke with Vasishtha Dev, and Vasishtha Dev actually elaborated the Brahman and transmitted that power in him, that knowledge. So that is where is this this Brahma Gyan is narrated. That is called Yog Vasishtha Ramayana. And thirdly, another Ramayana is there. That is we call Adhyatma Ramayana. That is also written by Valmiki. But difference is what we say, like in Krishna, during Krishna's time, Sri Krishna's time, what happened actually is Uddhava was there. I hope you all people heard about Uddhava. Uddhava was there. Uddhava actually knew that what is Sri Krishna actually. What is Sri Krishna? What is he? He knew it. So Sri Krishna is the God himself. Uddhava always knew. And when Sri Krishna was, departing from this world, material world, and he's leaving his mundane body, then he actually called Uddhava and asked him that, he told him about Ishvar Tattva, that what is God, the essence of it. He taught Uddhava and said that you now go to Badrikashram. Badrikashram, I hope you know. Badrikashram is what? Nowadays we go for Char Dham Yatra, where Gangotri, Yamunotri, the origin point of Ma Ganga, origin point of Ma Yamuna, Kedarnath, Baba Kedarnath, where Shiva Linga is there, Shiva temple is there, and lastly Badrinath. Badrinath is the abode of Narayan, Vishnu. So that area is Badrikashram. And during that time, Sri Krishna actually instructed Uddhava, go there and you contemplate me there. Start austerity there. Fall in deep meditation. Go into deep meditation there. Go there. And he left his body. So this Uddhava, and he told another thing. He told that whatever I told you, you please tell all this about what I am Krishna, why I am Krishna, why I am Bhagavan. You tell these things to Vidur. Vidur is another character, another pious character. So you tell him. So in this way, it went on. So what he told, what Uddhava told, what Uddhava was told by Sri Krishna was written in a book that is known as Uddhava Gita. That book actually carries this Ishwar Tattva, that is Bhagavan, he is Bhagavan. Why is Bhagavan? It is the essence of it there. In the same way, Adhyatma Ramayana, which I was speaking about here, it is written by Valmiki also, but the subject is why Lord Rama is Bhagavan. It is written there. It is about that thing, Ishwar Tattva. So these three Ramayana we all know about. Then there is another Ramayana which is more famous nowadays. That is what? Tulsidasi Ramayana.